So what you can also do using ChatGPT is correct sentence structures. So over here you can see that I have ChatGPT opened up, and let's say I want to correct a sentence structure right here. So I'm going to go around and say correct the sentence structure right here, and then I'm going to go around and type in something. So I'm going to go around and say I'm going to mall with my two friends with another shop to do shopping and roam here and there. So I can just go around and utilize this prompt, correct the sentence structure. I'm going to mall with my two friends, and you can see that this is not proper. So I can go around over here, and it says I'm going to the mall with my two friends to do some shopping and roam around. So I can go around and then change the sentence structure and say make it more funny. So I'm just going to go around, make it more funny right here, just like this, and press enter, and it says I'm dragging my two helpless friends to the mall for shopping spree and some aimless wandering right here. So I'm going to go around and say make it more formal right here, just like this, and once I do that, it says I intend to accompany my two companions to the mall for the purpose of engaging in shopping activities and leisurely strolling about. Now I'm going to go around and say make it more serious right here, just like this, and it says I'll be heading to the mall with my two companions to conduct some shopping and engage in leisurely exploration right here, and I'm going to say make it informal right here, just like this, and press enter, and you can see that it goes around and changes. I'm hitting the mall with my buddies for some shopping and this I'm wondering. So you can really see that you can change around the sentence structure and change out its tone and everything out right here. So I'm just going to go around and say write this as an email right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say write this as an email, and it says mall trip plans right here. So hi friends, hope you're doing well. Wanted to touch base and let you know about our upcoming mall trip. So I've got the plan to hit the mall with you and your friend for some serious shopping and of course some aimless wandering. It's going to be a blast. Let me know if you're up for it, and when you're available, can't wait to hang out. So you can see that this is what you have, and this is how you can change around the sentence structure, and by correcting it and by changing it as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.